Looking for an honest breakdown of the Z-Edge 1440P OLED gaming monitor? Let's take a closer look at this highly rated display and see if it lives up to its promises. The Z-Edge 1440P OLED gaming monitor boasts an impressive 4.4-star rating from over 1,181 reviews, indicating that many users are extremely satisfied with their purchase. But what sets this monitor apart from the competition? Let's dive into its key specifications and see how they impact real-world use. One of the standout features of this monitor is its OLED display, which delivers true blacks, pixel-level lighting control, and exceptional color depth. This results in a more immersive viewing experience, especially in dark environments or content with complex shading. The 240Hz refresh rate and 0.03 milliseconds GTG response time also make it well-suited for fast-paced gaming, reducing motion blur and ghosting. The QHD 2560 by 1440 resolution provides sharp detail and clean image clarity, while the ultra-high 1500000:1 contrast ratio enhances depth with deeper blacks and brighter highlights. This combination brings out fine details in both dark and bright scenes, making it ideal for a wide range of content. In terms of design and build quality, the monitor features an adjustable stand that supports up to 120mm height adjustment, vertical rotation for portrait mode, and plus or minus 25 degrees swivel for optimal viewing comfort. The sleek three-sided bezel-less design maximizes screen space and creates a clean, immersive look that's perfect for modern gaming setups and multi-monitor configurations. Now, let's talk about performance and everyday use. In our testing, we found the monitor to be responsive and accurate with minimal input lag even in fast-paced games. The display is also well-suited for general use, such as watching movies or browsing the web. Connectivity-wise, the monitor offers multiple ports, including HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, and USB-C. It also supports features like picture-in-picture, PIP, and picture-by-picture, PBP, allowing you to display content from multiple sources simultaneously. Additionally, it has built-in FreeSync support and game assist tools that enhance target visibility and accuracy. So, what are the main advantages of this monitor? Its OLED display delivers exceptional color depth and contrast, making it ideal for gaming and content creation. The 240Hz refresh rate and 0.03 milliseconds GTG response time also make it well-suited for fast-paced games. Additionally, its adjustable stand and sleek design make it a great choice for modern gaming setups. However, there are some limitations to consider. Some users may find the monitor's price point to be prohibitively expensive, especially considering that similar displays with lower refresh rates and response times are available at a lower cost. Additionally, the monitor's limited HDR support may not be ideal for users who require more advanced color grading capabilities. In conclusion, the Z-Edge 1440P OLED gaming monitor is an excellent choice for those seeking a high-end gaming display with exceptional color depth and contrast. While it may come with a higher price tag than some competitors, its features and performance make it well worth considering for serious gamers and content creators. If you'd like to learn more, you'll find additional information in the description.